So guys, welcome back to the channel. As you all know that this channel is not only for me, this channel is a voice for the subscribers. So today I am making this video especially for the people who want to know the prices of accessories of Skoda Kayak, be it signature variant, be it the classic variant. I'll be telling you the prices of the accessories. And also I'll be showing you the visual of the exact accessory wherever it is possible, so that you can get to know the accessory exactly. Video is going to be in English language, as many of my viewers and subscribers have requested me that they want a special video in English language. So as you know friends, this channel is for the voice of the subscribers and viewers, and I respect all the comments. So before starting the video, I'll request all the viewers, please do subscribe to the channel. As you can see, I get the views but I don't get enough subscribers. I'm flashing my subscribers on the screen. It is a request from my side, please do subscribe to the channel, and also please do give a thumbs up to the video, as it takes a lot of effort in making the videos. And if we get a like and a subscription, this in turn gives us a lot of motivation. So friends, I'll tell you firstly which all accessories you can put in your Skoda Kayak, be it the signature variant, which is the second variant, be it the first base variant, which is the classic variant. Firstly friends, what you get in the car is default, and what I'll be telling you are the accessories which you can put as an add-on in the car. I'll also be telling you the prices of all the accessories. Firstly, what you can put in your car is friends 3D all-weather mat, which comes with 2 years warranty, and the pricing of this is 2599 rupees. Secondly, what you can put in your car, be it signature variant, be it the classic variant, it is the mud flaps, and even this will come with 2 years warranty. The best thing in all the accessories is if you purchase directly from Skoda, that you get 2 years warranty on each and every accessory which you purchase. This will cost you 799 rupees. This is a very reasonable rate, and you can put it even in signature variant, even in the classic variant. Then you can put sun blinds friends for the rear windows and sun blinds for the front windows. They will cost you 1799 and 1499 respectively. Then you can also put rear backlight sun blinds, which will cost you 1199 rupees. After that, you can take body cover for your car, be it any variant, be it Prestige, be it Signature, Signature Plus, be it the classic variant. This is for all the variants. You can purchase the body covers, which will cost you 1599, are very reasonable pricing friends. Even if you search the body cover pricing online, then also you won't be able to get this kind of a rate. Then after that, you can also put 70 mats in your car if you prefer. That will cost you around 7999 rupees. This is a really great thing friends. 70 mat, dust and all the particles won't get into the base of the car. This is a very good thing which you can surely put inside your car. The 70 mats are really great thing. Then friends, you can also put textile foot mats in your car, which will cost you 2999 rupees. You can put in both the variants, like you can put it in classic variant as well, and you can put it in signature variant as well. Then friends, you can take child seat for your car. If you have an infant in your family, then you can surely go for this, but it will cost you around 52 to 53,000 rupees. Then you can also go for the infotainment, which comes in the signature plus variant. This will cost you around 26,500 rupees. This is a really value for money product, and you really need to have this in your product, because this is coming in the third variant of the car, signature plus variant. And if you're taking the classic variant, then this is a must have for your car. This is also having the Skoda Play app store in it, the wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This is a go-to product friends. I'll really prefer all of you to take this product if you are going for your Skoda Kayak classic variant. This is a must have for your car. This will give a lot of luxury in your car. The infotainment is really smooth, and the response of the infotainment is really good. So this is a go-to product. You can take it without any hesitation. Then you can also go for the speaker sets. You will get set of 2 speakers. It will cost you around 5800 rupees. If you want 4 speakers, then you can multiply the rate by 2. Then after that, you can also take front bumper corner garnish, which will cost you 1199, and you can take body side molding, which will be in chrome. This is going to cost you 3499 rupees. Then you can take fender garnish, which will come with the Skoda logo. 549 is the cost of this. Door visors will cost you 2799. Door edge garnish with Skoda logo, it will cost you 1399. These all things are for giving perfect finish to the car. It will give a lot of luxury to the car, friends. You can also take front grille garnish, which will cost you 2399. This is a really value for money product. Again, the front grille garnish, it will give a lot of luxurious look to your car. After that, you can also take leatherite seats for your car, which will cost only 13,000 rupees, friends. The leatherite seats are only coming in the toppest variant, which is the prestige variant. What I'll advise all my friends is, before you take the car, you just request Skoda people from the showroom which you're purchasing the car. You just go to them and you say that I need the car to be fitted with the leatherite seats, because even in the third variant, which is the signature plus variant, which is costing you around 11.5 lakh rupees at showroom, even in that car you are not getting the leatherite seats. So this is a go-to product, friends, the infotainment and the leatherite seats. If you are purchasing a classic variant of this car, which is a really value for money product, then these two things are the go-to things before you finalize your deal of the car. You have to take the infotainment and you have to take the seat covers of the car. Both the things are coming at a really great price, and even if you calculate the pricing, you will obviously prefer to go for those products. And all the prices I am giving you are without the GST, not including GST. After that, friends, you can also take stainless steel scuff plates for your car. It will cost you 1399 rupees. After that, you can also take boot mat tray, which will cost you 2499 rupees. And if you wish to purchase any of the perfumes from Skoda, then also you can purchase them. It will cost you around 349 rupees per bottle, but the quality of the perfume is really very good. Friends, what I'll also advise you, you can also request Skoda people to give you some add-ons like freebies before you purchase the car. They'll surely give you some freebies like perfumes or even basic mats they can give you. Even they can give you the number plate of the car. Obviously, they'll give you some freebies, friends. If you'll request them, they'll surely give it to you, but you'll have to request them. Only then they'll give you. Many a times, if you don't ask them, they might not give you that product. So it is advice from my side, please do ask freebies from them before taking the product. As you can say that I am purchasing the car from Skoda and I'll also purchase further products from Skoda, you can say that way, then surely they'll give you some products as freebies and you can maintain good cordial relationships with them. Then also they'll give you good products as freebies. Friends, you can also put alloy wheels in your car if you're taking the classic variant. The pricing of the alloy wheels is still not out yet. As soon as I get any official update regarding the prices, I'll surely tell you all the prices of the alloy wheels. If you want to go for the 16-inch alloy wheels, which is coming in the signature variant, then also you can go for them, as it will be a value for money product for you, as you don't need to swap your tires for that. If you want the prestige one, then also you can take them. You will also have to swap your tire with the 17 inches tire, and it will cost you some more, and then you'll get the alloys. If you want a value for money edition, then you can go for the 16-inch alloys, which are coming in signature and signature plus. After that, you can also add the rear camera. If you are putting the infotainment from Skoda, then you can also add the rear camera inside your car. The rear camera pricing is also not out yet. It is also a value for money product. Rear view camera is a very important product and you should surely put it. You can request Skoda to put that inside your car. It will also give you a complete car look, and also it is a big safety feature. I hope, friends, the video was good. Do subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe earlier. Also give a thumbs up to the video, friends. Okay, friends, bye bye, take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.